Was over fake lasers, crypto muscle. Coming to you another YouTube video. It's the Crypto Muscle and the Crypto Muscle Network. Coming to you another video. It's the Crypto Muscle and the Crypto Muscle Network. Coming to you another video. Just kidding. Pumping iron, pumping crypto is what it's all about here. Been doing it for 5+ years. Can you believe that? 5+ years. Man, it's crazy. Coming up. Alright, anniversary update. Anniversary celebration for the Crypto Muscle Network. Alright, stay tuned for all that in the upcoming days. Alright. So with that, let's take a look at two platforms here that I always cover on Saturdays for quite some time now. Excuse me. I drank a Topo Chico and now it's, my compliments to the flavor and taste is all I gotta say. Yeah. Alright, so, yeah, I was covering these two platforms separately initially, and over time I kind of just covered these two together just because it's a time saving thing, and at the same time they're both similar in their mission, right? Which is you put it in and you earn until you hit 3x of what you put in. So, for example, if you put in 1,000, you earn until you hit 3,000, right? And that's how it works for both platforms, which is Overdome and Trade Like Crazy. All right, so I like to always start off with Overdome because I don't know, I just like to, and I think I've been showcasing Overdome on Saturdays for quite some time. Before I joined into Trade Like Crazy, and so and also Overdome paydays is Saturdays and Tuesdays. All right, in terms of when you could do withdrawals, that is. So let's talk about Overdome first, and we'll go into TLC. All right, so Overdome, they have their trading software, which is the main, to me, the main thing about Overdome. There's also the gaming and utility token. I don't mess with those. I honestly don't even care about them. I don't look at them. I don't really go into it with it that too much. My focus has been on the trading software side of things, which is the passive income component. Um, I think the utility token and gaming is, I guess, it's supposed to help complement and enhance the whole overall product of Overdome, but still the main feature, the main event in Overdome is the trading platform or the trading feature of it for passive income. The other stuff to me is secondary, and I personally don't care for them. So yeah, the Overdome they did like a sale and all that stuff, and they introduced the game. They officially launched all this at the end of May, officially, right? Because it was in pre-launch since December. Then they did an official launch in May, and then here we are, 2 months later into July, the end of July now. And so I guess what's coming soon, it appears, is the Overdome Exchange. All right. So to me, I mean, this is probably the cynical side of me, but when there's a token and then when there's an exchange, then maybe at some point they're just going to pay you the token. You got to sell in the exchange in order to cash out. But hey, I don't know. I mean, what do I know? That's just based on experiences in crypto platforms. When something like this comes about, that's usually the direction it goes. But you never know. The exchange could be a further enhancement of Overdome, just like the coin and game has been so far, and it's been steady so far, so good. Everything's been as an overall platform and product. It's been a good run so far, so I can't really say anything bad about it. Just a little cynical. It's just my cautious side of myself. When the wheels in my head are spinning, That's just what it is. So right now you saw that there. Let me refresh again. Let me see. Let me refresh again. Uh, Still got over. I'm assuming you got about a month left. Let's see. Oh, never mind. Yeah, 3 days left. All right. In order to meet the numbers, and if you qualify, you'll be able to get a trip to Singapore. All right, for this incentive trip here. So some lofty numbers, right? 100,000 in sales volume, 50 on one side and 50K on the other. Woo, that's some lofty numbers here. But you got an all expenses paid trip to Singapore. In doing so, that's what they got going on here. So that's that. Looking at the month so far, you can see that July, not the end of the month yet. Still got like 4 days to the end of the month, and it's already going to surpass the June number, which is a good thing. I think it's good that it will surpass the June number. It might touch or get close to the February and March number, so we'll see, right? And man, January, man, look at that, it hit 21%. But overall, since December, you can see here, 145%. Well, I think this is actually going back to, yeah, I think that's what it is. Never mind. Let's see what this does. View trade history. I haven't really looked at that. Okay, never mind. I'm not going to read through that. It's just a lot they go through there. So the main function and aspect is the software license. You put in 25 up to 100,000, and you're going to earn till you hit 3x. All right. As you can see, I've been in it since mid-December there, and I'm only halfway through so far, roughly close to halfway through. All right, in terms of the earnings there. So being that July, maybe by the time December rolls around, I'll be hitting 3x, right? So we'll see. That's where I'm at with this. The arbitrage trading is a newer feature. Came out probably about a month ago, and you can see here, you can put in the same amount, 25 up to $100,000, and what this flash loan amount is saying is that it's the money, it's this sort of leveraged style way of trading. So instead of having 2,500 as the number to be traded with to earn, it's going to be $900,000, for example. So whatever you make for the day, instead of saying that you're earning daily off 2,500, you're earning daily off 900,000. Or if you do the 1,000, it's 360. So that's what a flash loan is leveraging the trading via this flash loan method here. So I haven't tried it. I don't know if I will, but my whole thing has been the original license anyways. But if anybody has tried the arbitrage software license, let me know. Or share with me, share with my group how that's going so far. All right, let me know. Well, right now I got two that are in my just regular software licenses, not the arbitrage ones. So with that, let's do a withdrawal since Saturday. 75.90. So we'll do that. 75.90. Out of the earning wallet. Confirm. And there it is. So there. Alright, good stuff. It's been nice and steady every week, pulling it out. Really good platform. And I like how everything works with this. So to get started on this thing, it's pretty straightforward, right? When you first get started, you deposit, right? Either you can go into depositing here, $50 minimum, or if you go to arbitrage trading side, $25 minimum, and using USDT TRC20, which is the Tron network stable dollar, right? USDT. And so you put that in, whatever amount it is, confirm, because I guess it all depends on what package you're trying to go into, what's license. So make sure you have enough to cover whatever you're targeting as your license. So if you're trying to put 1,000, make sure you put 1,000. If you put in 2,000, and so on and so forth, right? Same with arbitrage. I'm sorry, arbitrage software, same thing, right? Whatever it is that you want to meet, make sure you meet that requirement, right? So once you put it in, once it goes in, now it's going to be a balance, right, on your dashboard. So what you want to do from there is either do software license or arbitrage. And once you do, you purchase it. Alright, and once you purchase it, then it gets applied and then it gets to work. Just like that. Yeah, so very straightforward, very simple. I like Overdome. It's a good platform. I think it's a sleeper and very, very underrated. Alright. So let's go to TLC. So TLC, very similar platform, right? You can earn on average of 15 to 30% monthly. Alright, so it's in the same ballpark as Overdome. You can see it's been averaging for Overdome a little bit less monthly on average. Looks like around 16 to 21% in a month so far. I don't know what the max monthly is, but so far 16 to 21%, right, for Overdome. Here is 15 to 30% over the last 12 months on average. So that's where it's at with this one, and similar sort of deal here. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. Let's see if it shows here. It might not show here. Use USDT TRC20 as well, right, in terms of what crypto to use. And when you look at products, which are the packages, I got 1,000 and I earn till I hit 3x, right? And so you earn, right, 3x. You start with as little as $20 all the way up to $100,000, and you're gonna earn until you hit 3x, just like that, right? And so with that, you can see the packages there. Withdrawal wallet, $23, so a little bit on the lower side this week, in my opinion. But hey, it's something, I guess. Must be greater than 30. Alright, so it's not over 30, can't do a withdrawal yet. Alright, so far, let's see here, profit $5 there, profit $5. I earn so far daily profit $5. Looks like $5. This profit was only $2.70, so that was on the lower end that day. Let's see, then I did a withdrawal a week ago. Let me see here. So 270, and then 22nd, that's Sunday. No, that's Monday. Profit, and then profit yesterday. Yeah, so there it is. Just hasn't met the minimum this week, just for that one day. That I didn't it earned below the average. Yeah, so to me it's a little bit slower than Overdome, but still I think they're both great options, both great platforms to utilize when it comes to these sort of programs, right? Let's see what I've withdrawn so far. So far I've withdrawn a total of 438 out of the original 1,000 I put in. So it's not too bad. I got 23 this week, but not enough to meet the minimum withdrawal. So I'll have to wait till next week to be able to do that. So it's all good. But yeah, so that's TLC here. Like I said, very similar, right, on what you could deposit, what you're going to earn, and it's going to stop after 3x. So there you go. That's the latest on these two. Let me know what you think. Comment down below. Links are in the description for everything. Subscribe to everything I got. That way you can stay on top of everything we got going on. Got my Telegram group. I got my link tree. I also got a third YouTube channel. Alright, it's a non-crypto channel if you want to check that out, called The Common Sense Perspective. Check that out. Alright, enough of all that. Again, comment down below. I just want to say thank you. I'll see you next one.